everyone, it's Molly from Miss Komori Cosplay and welcome back to my channel! Yay! Today we are going to make these ears. These are Ahri's ears from the brand new KDA Pop Stars music video. These are actually super affordable to make and they could be used for a variety of characters or if you just want to be a cat. You could definitely do a better job attaching them to the wig than I did, but I digress. So the materials you're going to need a piece of felt in a color that's close to what your ears are going to be. This cheap felt comes in dozens of colors and it's like 40 cents a sheet at Walmart. You're also going to need a skein, whatever, of yarn in the color that you want. This is also really cheap yarn. You don't need the softest, nicest crochet yarn you can find. You will need a cat brush. So wherever my cat went, he was just bothering me behind my head. And last but not least, you will need a sewing machine. I will have more KDA Ahri tutorials up in the coming weeks. Just comment below, let me know what you'd like to see. And my animals are fighting on the floor beside me. Good job, guys. Well, let's get started on the ears. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you have any questions for me or comments, just feel free to comment below. Send me a message on any of my social media. If you have questions, I'm always happy to help you guys out and answer whatever you need.